Good morning, students. Welcome to your GK class. So, we are going to start with chapter number 14 today, which is Natural Wonders of the World. It can be some other chapter in your book, but you have to see this name and we have to do this chapter. So, there are many such sites on the earth that have been considered for inclusion in the list of 7 natural wonders of the world. Let's know about some of them. Look at the pictures, read the descriptions, and name the natural wonders. You can take help from the clue box. So, in the definitions, they have given that there are many sites that have been considered to included in the natural wonders. Okay? So, the 7 natural wonders which we have, we are going to discuss about them today. The first one, the image of which is given is this is the highest mountain in the world. The highest point is located in the Himalayas at a height of 8,848 meters in the country of Nepal. So this one is Mount Everest, which is the highest mountain in the world and its highest point is at 8,848 meters where in the country of Nepal. Second one is this is a stone forest, a collection of limestone formations extended over a surface of 500,000 square kilometers. The stone appear in various shapes ranging from pinnacle, column, mushroom and pagoda shaped. Some of them are up to 30 meters tall. They are located in Kunming, the capital of Yunnan state of China. So this natural wonder is situated in China and it is a stone forest. From here you have to recognize that we are talking about Shilin stone forest. ठीक है? So which is a collection of limestone formation where you can see these kind of stone formations in different shapes. So this natural wonder is Shilin stone forest. The third one which we are having is this is the world's largest coral reef system. It is composed of billions of tiny organisms known as coral polyps. It is located in the Coral Sea off the coast of Queensland, Australia. So the third natural wonder which we are talking about is situated in Australia and it is a coral reef system where you can see tiny organisms in billions which are known as coral polyps. What are they known as? Coral polyps. It is located in Coral Sea off the coast of Queensland, Australia. Its name is the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef. The fourth one which we are having is it is a very big valley of Arizona state of USA. It is more than 446 km long and 29 km wide. It is formed by the river Colorado that has been eroding it since the last 17 million years. So what is it? It is a big valley. Here you can see in the image. It is situated in USA in its Arizona state. It is more than 446 किलोमीटर लॉन्ग सो इसकी लेंथ कितनी है 446 किलोमीटर से भी ज्यादा एंड 29 किलोमीटर वाइड द विड्थ इज 29 किलोमीटर हाउ इज इट फॉर्म्ड इट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय रिवर कोलोराडो विच हैज बीन इरोडिंग इट इसका इरोजन कर रही है फ्रॉम द लास्ट 17 मिलियन ईयर्स its answer is the Grand Canal. So the fourth one natural wonder is the Grand Canal. So the image of the fifth natural wonder is given to us. These are the glowing sheets of lights in the sky. They are also called as dancing wares and Nadran lights. So the other name for them is dancing wares or Nadran lights. These lights make impressive display in the sky as you can see over here. These can be seen near Magnetic Pole, which is near the Arctic Islands of Canada. So it is situated near the Arctic Islands of Canada and its name is Aurora Borealis. And the other name for the same is dancing wares or the Nadran lights. What are these? These are the glowing sheets of light in the sky. You have to see, you can see from here. Okay. The sixth natural wonder is given. This is the youngest volcano in Mexico. It is started as a fissure in the cornfield of a farmer in 1943. The farmer and his family witnessed the eruption of ash and stones. Frequent eruptions in the first year buried the surrounding villages in lava and ash. It last erupted in 1952. So what is it? It is the youngest volcano. Latest volcano which we know is this one. It is situated in Mexico. Where was it situated? In a field of farmer who discovered it in 1943. The farmer and his family, what they witnessed was कि there were eruptions of, इसमें से निकल रहे थे ash and stones. Frequent eruptions in the first year buried the surrounding villages, because we know that the lava and ash that are coming out from the volcano is very hot, so it buried the surrounding villages. It last erupted in 1952. इसके बाद it has not erupted. The last eruption was in 1952 and its answer is Paricutin. Seventh and the last natural wonder, it is the second largest city of Brazil. Its harbor surrounded by mountains and other beautiful formations. It is world famous. It is also called Guanabara Bay. Its answer is harbor of Rio de Janeiro. So it is the second largest city of Brazil. Its harbor is surrounded by mountains and other beautiful formation. It is also called Guanabara Bay. Okay. The next chapter that we are going to do is chapter number 15, Sweet Sour Berries. Berries are small, fleshy or juicy fruits that grow on bushes. Generally, they are sweet or sour in taste. The pictures of some popular berries with clues are given below. Identify them and write their names. You may take help from the clue box. So what are berries? Berries are small, fleshy or juicy fruits. You must have seen some berries. Generally, they are sweet or sour. दो ही टेस्ट होते हैं, either sweet or sour. They have given us the pictures of few berries. From that we have to recognize. They have also given certain information which will help us in recognizing them. The first one which they have given is it contains all major minerals such as copper, calcium, phosphorus, manganese, magnesium and potassium. The answer is gooseberry, which contains all of these major minerals. So whenever you learn this, you have to learn by this point also. If it is given gooseberry, you should know which minerals it consists of. Okay. Second is it is grown in sandy bogs or marshes. Its answer is cranberry. Third, it is a key to looking youthful, feeling great, and keeping healthy and nourished. Very healthy and nourished, very youthful. The answer is red currant. Red currant is the correct answer. The fourth one is it is used as a major antioxidant agent. The answer is elderberry. It wears its seeds on the outside. The seeds of this berry are on the outside, not on the inside. Its answer is strawberry. It is one of the only natural foods that are truly blue in color. Which berry is this? Yes, blueberry is the correct answer. Seventh one is can be a satisfying addition to a calorie reduced diet. If calories are to be reduced in the diet, it can be added and this is very useful also. Its answer is avocado. It is much cultivated for ornament. Ornaments में use हो रही है. Its answer is berberis. Last one, its leaves are commonly used in herbal medicines. Medicines में इसके leaves use होते हैं. Its answer is bearberry. If any spellings are not clear, you can see from the clue box given in your book also. Okay. Next chapter is chapter number 16, herbal medicine. There are several herbs that are used to cure different kinds of ailments. Different kinds of herbs होती हैं जो हम use करते हैं for treating different kind of ailments. These herbs are known for their medicinal properties. The herbs that we are going to read about today, they are helpful as medicines also. Can you name the following herbs? You may use clue box. First one is it is an all-powerful herb that lowers cholesterol, guards against cancer and helps fight weight loss. So it is lowering your cholesterol, it is guarding you against cancer and it helps in weight loss also. Its answer is green tea. Second one is it is an important herb for improving blood flow and treating cuts and burns. Its answer is turmeric. Third one is it is the most commonly used herb for treating wounds, skin conditioning, and fighting infection. Its answer is aloe vera. Fourth one, it is a bitter flavored herb that is an effective digestive aid. Answer is fenugreek. If any spelling is not clear, please see the clue box in your book. Fifth one is it is an aromatic herb used to treat stomach ache and also used as flavoring in drinks and beverages. Its answer is mint. Sixth one, it is a herb used as a base for toothpaste and helps in treatment of malaria and fever. Its answer is neem. It is a herb that contains omega-3 fatty acids for heart strength and circulatory function. Your answer is flax seeds. Eighth and the last one, it is a wonderful herb that helps in treating high cholesterol and guards against severe cough and cold. The answer is basil. So this completes our chapter number 16. Chapter number 17, Endangered Plant Species. Just like many animal species, some certain plant species also have reached at the edge of extinction. If they are not conserved, they will be extinct soon. Cutting of trees, fire, and pollution are destroying these plant species rapidly. So they are at the verge of extinction. If this is the case, we may not find them in certain years. ठीक है? So the first one is it is the largest flower in the world. This one, largest flower in the world, Rafflesia. Rafflesia is the largest flower in the world. Second one, the plant is found in southeastern United States. We find this plant in southeastern United States. Its answer is Georgia aster. Third one, it is found in a tiny part of Galapagos Island. Tiny part of Galapagos Island, Acalypha wigginesi. We can pronounce it differently, but you have to revise the spelling. Okay, learn the spellings properly. The fourth one is it is found in 5 US states in the Midwest. Platanthera praeclara. Fifth one, they are eaten by possums found in New Zealand. We find it in New Zealand. Brush lilies. Sixth one, these rare plants were rediscovered in China. They were rediscovered in China. Dawn redwoods. Seventh, the plant is found in volcanic islands of Hawaii. Silver swords. Eighth one, these are the world's rarest cacti. Norton cacti. Norton cacti. Ninth one, found in Japan, they are slow growing evergreens. They are found in Japan and they are the slow growing evergreens. Sago palm. Tenth one, it is an insectivorous plant that eats insects. So this plant eats insects. Its answer is Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap. The last one, it grows only in the fresh water of San Marcos River. Where does it grow? In the fresh water of San Marcos River. Its answer is Texas wild rice. So with this, our chapter number 17 also ends. So for today, we have done chapter number 14, 15, 16 and 17. Please complete your books. Thank you.